Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the MetaTrader 4 chart style, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to your settings section where you can see chart option at below shown in the screen. So once you tap on that chart option, you will be redirected to your chart section where you can see lots of options to style your charts over here. So basically this is how you can change the chart style of your MetaTrader 4 app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.